Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards. Black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with their premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, an anthracite black poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Also included is navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for my infotainment center. This GLE has 33,068 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.